Hello everyone, welcome back to the Two Spanners Corsa episodes. I think we're on 14 now, 13, somewhere around there. Anyway, we're finally there. I've picked paint, I've wheeled up the car into the boot, I've been masking it out today. It is now like 8:30 at night. I am absolutely shattered, but I've still got other parts to set up, like the door handle covers, I don't know, petrol flap, all the other stuff. But I'm going to turn the camera around, show you the shell all masked up, ready for tomorrow to be painted. I can't wait to get home and have some sleep, but finally we are here. The car is all masked up. We are ready to put some base colour down and lacquer on this. So it's only going to be a little quick one, unfortunately. I should have filmed myself masking up and stuff, but due to Lewis catching COVID, I've literally been here on my own, slaving away. Unfortunately, he's quite bad with it, so he's in bed at the moment. So I'm just getting on with it. That's why I haven't filmed much. I hope you've been enjoying the Corsa episodes. I'm ecstatic this thing's actually finally getting painted. People that have been following us for a while on Instagram and obviously our YouTube channel that you're watching right now will know this project's been going on for over a year. And with a last minute change of colour, I've had to put a little bit more effort into it, but I hope you're enjoying these little episodes on the Corsa, and the next time you see this, we are going to be a completely different colour. I cannot wait to set this GoPro up in the corner and watch it turn a different colour. All the other panels are set up in the other booth, which I will go and do some little video clips on it so you can see them already set up. I do need to set up all the front bumper, tailgate and bonnet in the other booth right now, but I've got cars to move out and stuff and that out of the way. So I probably won't film that. I just need to get on with this and get it set up as the painter's in tomorrow to help me paint the car.